when you open your software, this is how the interface is. Let's quickly look at some little settings here. Let's go top. On top here, you see they have written file, they have written edit. On down the edit, you see a box says auto select. Take the auto select, take the auto select. Then you see show transform controls. Take that one too. There's some little settings we need to do. Then if before you can design, you need a background, you need a size, what you are doing the design for. So if you want to design something for your car, go and measure where you want to paste it so that you come and use that measurement to design. If you want to design a signboard, you need to get the size of the signboard before you can design. If you want to design something and paste it at the back of your mobile phone, you need to measure the back of your mobile phone, whether in centimeters, millimeters, before you can come and design. So we have a lot of measurements you need to select to do your design. But for now, if you want to select your background, you go to file, top, you see file. When you go to file, you go to new. When you want to do a new thing, okay, here you will see custom. So you click on the custom, then you select international paper. International paper, we have A4. So when I click on OK, I have A4, international paper A4. Then here I can do another one. I can select another paper. I go to file again, I go to new, then it's already on international paper A4. I can click on A4 and convert from A4 to A3. You know A3 is 2 times of A4. Then I click on OK. When I click on OK, I have A3 paper here. I have A3 here. Okay, let me show you another way you can select your paper. You go to file, then you go to new. Maybe what you want to design is 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So here you convert the millimeters here into centimeters. Then you yourself, you type weight. Weight is 10 centimeters per what you want to design. Weight is 10 centimeters and height is also 10 centimeters. So you delete what is there and you put your 10 centimeters there. Then you click on OK. You click on OK. So this is your 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters paper you want to work with. Let me show you another common background we use. That one you can use for WhatsApp DP. That's what even I use to design the poster for this training. So again, you go to file, you go to new, then here select international paper. When you select international paper, you convert from A3 to A4. If it's already A4, leave it like that. The size is A4. Then with the A4, the height is 297. Delete the 297 and make it 210. So with this, you have width 210 as well as height also 210. Here you click on it. This size is for WhatsApp DP, and this is the most commonly used size for design for network marketing and a lot of things on social media, because some people will use it for their WhatsApp DP and other things. So we have our paper, we have our background. Can we color the background? I think when we color the background, it will be nice. So let's see how we can color our background. How we can color our background. So already we have picked like 4 backgrounds on top here. When you click here, we have one background here. When you click here, another background I selected, another background is here, and this is the background I chose last for. I said for the WhatsApp DP. So let's say we want to color this first background. This is what we want to work with. You see on your right corner here, right hand side, here you could see on top here they have written layers. Make sure your own is on layers. Up here, layers. So that you see a lock here, background lock. Double click on the lock and come and click on OK. Now you see you have opened the background, so you see some hidden dots on at the edges. Then if you want to color anything, you come to your right hand side, down you see FX. So you click on FX, then you go to color overlay. When you go to color overlay, you see all the colors we have here. You see there's a box here say normal with red color. You click on that red color, you can position it. You can drag and position it so that it will not cover. If it is covering your work, position is well. So I have positioned my wall so that it will not cover my actual work. So here you see a horizontal line here. With this horizontal line, all the colors we have in the world is here. So if I need blue color, I click on the blue. Then I come to the bigger interface here. With this side, when I bring my circle close to white, at the edge here is white. You see it's white. Then down here is black. You see it's black. So anytime I bring my blue closer to the white, I get light blue. And anytime I take my blue closer to the black, I get a darker blue. I can even get blue black from here. So let's say I want this type of blue. Then I click on OK here. I click on another OK here. This is how we select background color. So now this is my background color. If I don't want this background color, and let's say I want white color, the same way I go to FX, I go to color overlay, then I click on the blue at where they have written normal, not where they have written preview. No, where they have written normal, you click on the blue. I want white color, so I click here, then I click on OK, then I click on another OK. Now I have a white background.